The future? Think again. They're already here, powering real stuff behind the scenes. Let's check out some big names leading the way with AI agents. First up, OpenAI. They're using AutoGPT-style tools and assistant APIs to automate complex tasks. Over at Google DeepMind, Gemini agents handle everything from planning to advanced reasoning. Amazon's using AI to supercharge customer service and logistics, making things faster and smarter. But it's not just the tech giants. Companies like Notion, Intercom, and Salesforce rely on AI agents to manage content, answer questions, and keep their customer relationship management running smoothly. And don't forget startups. Cognosis, Crew AI, and Dust are building workspaces that are LLM native, meaning AI is at the core of daily work. So which industries are getting a makeover from all this tech? Education, finance, healthcare, software engineering, and e-commerce, all of them are being transformed by AI agents right now. But what does this mean for you? Routine work is getting automated, sure. But here's the thing. If you learn to work with AI agents, you don't become replaceable. You become 10 times more valuable. It's all about learning how to collaborate with these tools, not compete against them. And if you're curious how to actually build your own basic AI agent, don't miss tomorrow's video. Day 8 is all about rolling up your sleeves and getting hands-on with LangChain. Stay tuned.